If somebody wants to prepare for APC exam, what are the things which that person should keep in mind while you're preparing for the written assessment?
I can say thank you for helping me to achieve this milestone because at first I was like, I can't do it.
Yeah, and were you working, Dr. Gurpreet, while preparing for this examination? Hello, everyone. Welcome to Academically. And we can't keep calm because most of our students have cleared the Australian Physiotherapy Council written exam. And we have Dr. Gurpreet Kaur Vashisht with us, who has cleared the written exam in one go. So, congratulations, Dr. Gurpreet.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
कैसा लग रहा
I
है? How
can
are you feeling?
feeling so happy, overwhelmed, uh, especially grateful for whole academically team for supporting at every step. All the material is immensely helpful for me, especially Dilpreet ma'am, Mansi ma'am, taught a lot of important lectures. Uh,
Right.
I highly recommend all the students to follow all the guidelines that teachers taught during their lectures. And most of the questions are from recalls. So
Hmm.
recalls are most important. Most important.
Right. So, Dr. Gurpreet, how did you get to know about Academically?
I think uh, through Instagram. I think
Acha.
Instagram post. Then I follow that account, Medicare. I
हाँ,
think.
Academically MedCare. Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Then I followed that account. Then I shared that with my brother and fiance. Then they
Hmm.
say you can do it. You could. You can. So first of all, I was like, no, no, no. Then Surbi ma'am,
हाँ, right.
um, they guide me a lot. Then they gave me your number, and then whole process going. And
Right.
you guide a lot, like minimum health inconvenience. I got the doctor Sonal. That is no.
Yeah, I remember. I remember, and you were so like I also build a very when you talk to people out there in your group or in your project or in your program, you somewhere get personally connected with those people as well. So you were one of those for me also because there was so even in minor sort of inconvenience, you used to call me and used to obey me whenever I used to say something to you. That's very very kind and grateful. I am grateful for that as well, Dr. Gurpreet. So just one more question, like if somebody wants to prepare for APC exam, what are the things which that person should keep in mind while you're preparing for the written assessment?
I think first of all, go through all the lectures. If
Mhm.
live lectures are not that they are not available to take those lectures, then take those recorded lectures. After that, always every day solve recalls. The
Mhm.
recalls are the most important, I think. Then
Mhm.
follow the book. First
Mhm.
of all, go through lectures, then recalls, and then go through books, as all teachers guide this thing. Not just going through books and books, because it is very vast.
Yeah.
So uh, so
And
start
Dr.
your work.
Gurpreet, did you revise the APC high yields which we had given as handouts just before the exam revision? How was it helpful?
Before, yeah. Before 2 days of exam, I just go through those high yield exams. So they were very helpful. Like whole the topics were there in those programs. So
Mhm.
that would be helpful for coming batch also.
Yeah. And were you working, Dr. Gurpreet, while preparing for this examination?
Yes, I am self-employed basically.
Oh.
So before 10 days before the exam, I uh, just doing home visits only for 2 to 3 hours, and then whole work only for 10 days. I stopped there doing work. Otherwise, I do morning shift, evening shift. So it was like for clinical exam, it would be helpful, I think.
Yeah, it'll definitely be helpful. So, how did you manage your time? You used to come back and study? And how many hours did you give on each day?
I think maximum 4 to 5 hours.
Acha.
Mostly at night and in the early morning, it would be
Mhm.
easy for me to give proper time to the exam to prepare for the APC. Honestly speaking, during the working hours, it is very difficult. But during working hours, I go to Discord and solve how teachers give explanation. I go deeply in that. Basically, Discord queries during working times, and 4 to 5 books, lectures, and all recorded lectures mainly. So
Yeah.
that's all.
So you can manage because see, recorded lectures is something which we've done because all of them are working professionals. It's not easy for everyone to attend live classes. Great. Nice. Thank you for sharing your strategies, Dr. Gurpreet. I hope the students will see and they will prepare more nicely for their APC exam. But before we end up with this session, any final words for Team Academically or for us which you would want to say?
Uh, I can say thank you for helping me to achieve this milestone because at first I was like, I can't do it. This is so big. From India, I can't. So after that, after knowing academically, after your guidance, I feel confident and doing regular hard work. And Dilpreet ma'am, Mansi ma'am, all
Mhm.
Prachi Kushali ma'am gave all the guidance in whole lecture. They not help me academically, emotionally also. You can all
Yeah.
students, you all are physios. You can
Yeah,
you all
yeah.
know.
Because she keeps on saying that you are physios, you can, you can. Yeah.
Those words are very confident. Gave me confidence, boost my confidence. So thankful to be part of academically, and thank you for putting me in
Thank
this
you so
journey.
much for being with us. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to have a session with you. All the best. You will do very well in your life. And we will meet on Saturday on the guidance session and we will see next what's coming next for your particular journey. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you
Okay.
so much, Dr. Gurpreet, for joining. Have a good day and enjoy.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Bye.